Has it made a difference?
Oh, it's made such a big difference in my normal life.
Hey, how are you? Colin here, PT and creator of S3. Yep, research clearly shows the key to longer stays, fewer falls, staph injuries, and even medications is getting residents stronger and more stable on their feet. But doing this safely and under budget can seem impossible. Sure, chair activity is cheap and convenient, but it doesn't work because leg and hip muscles aren't challenged by gravity. And using a chair for balance training puts everyone at risk.
Oh, I think this is a fantastic program. I have fell before, and this helps keep me up straight, and I am more confident in my walking.
Physical therapy is the gold standard, but not all residents can be in PT all the time. Since 2001, I've seen it ad nauseum. Residents do great while in PT, only to go back to high risk after discharge. To lower acuity and lengthen stay, residents gotta get up and they've gotta be challenged similar to how they are in PT, consistently, especially if they're high risk. That's why I invented S3, so residents can get up and take a more active role in their health to reduce the burden on you and me. And it works.
We're about 3 months into it, and we've never had a response like this before to anything we've done fitness-wise.
So when I first started working here, there were only 6 frames in there. And some days we are so full that I don't even get a frame to show them how to do the exercises.
Over 300 communities in assisted living, independent living, memory care, skilled nursing, and rehab have adopted S3 with pretty impressive results. For example, in only 2 months, Silver Creek Assisted Living cut falls by 70%. Washington Gardens Memory Care, 75%. And Village at Kaiser Ridge Assisted Living, they had a 94% reduction in their number of falls. S3 works as long as a resident can stand because it empowers them to take an active role, whether it's in a group, buddy system, circuit training, one-on-one like rehab and training, or balance training station where residents can encourage each other.
We find that the S3 has improved our patients' confidence in the fact that they can perform standing exercises for whether it's strengthening or balance. The S3 is very portable and easy to manage around the clinic when we need to move it.
18 years of testing have proven S3 to be safe and extremely effective, even for the most fragile, as keeping the hands close to the handrails make it easy to control body inertia, along with level of difficulty using 4 basic progressions. Start with a closed grip, which is typically not a challenge for most, so there's no improvement. Then you progress to an open grip, which is usually a moderate challenge for most, so there's a moderate improvement for these folks. Then on to floating close to the handrails, a significant challenge for almost everybody, so there's significant improvement. Closing the eyes is next, which is where most face their greatest fear of falling. But the payoff in confidence can be huge. And finally, looking up, which is great for showing off.
They improve their balance, improve their strength, and they can go on trips with us more. They're excited about the program. It's quick, it's easy, and a lot of times a resident will run it, so it gives kind of them a control and empowers them to teach others too.
To reiterate, S3 is safe because it's easy to control how hard you work and take a rest if needed. And remember that S3 is also portable. To move or store the device, just tip and roll, and they stack like shopping carts. It breezes through ADA doorways and elevators, and it's easy to shimmy around those skinny doorways. For full body strengthening, get the S3 Strength Kit and attach a band to one of 5 hooks, and train the rotator cuff, shoulders and chest, biceps and triceps, trunk, glutes, hamstrings. Lots of room for innovation here, folks. For flexibility and pain control, stretch the shoulders and low back, quads and hips, hamstrings, chest and shoulders, glutes, and even lower leg to reduce risk of tripping. If you're looking for a safe, efficient balance program that requires minimal staff, S3 online classes accommodate a range of abilities, as shown in hundreds of communities for assisted living, independent living, and even memory care. You can also create your own classes using the S3 library, which has over 50 movements and stretches, or even have one of your gung-ho residents lead classes using the cue cards. Each community is different. We'll help you find your mojo.
I had a couple of surgeries on my lungs. It's made a big difference in my breathing. My overall balance is better. My strength is stronger. I could almost get into tears telling how much I appreciate having this machine and the uses that we're making. It's excellent. I really recommend it.
Oh, and I almost forgot. S3 is also a transfer aid that dramatically reduces multi-person transfers and staff injuries, all the while increasing resident autonomy. For example, in memory care, Shirley used to rely on 2 CNAs to get up, accelerating her disability while draining staff. Now, she gets up on her own, gaining strength and confidence with every transfer. Same deal in skilled and rehab, where residents desperately need strength and stability in all aspects of care. Oh, and S3 is strong. It's made of Type 5 steel and has a 1,000-pound working capacity. How many transfer aids can claim that? And you don't need to be a licensed professional to teach people how to use S3. But we do recommend earning a certificate through our training portal by reviewing the essential videos to get everyone on the same page. It's free and takes only about 17 minutes. Finally, we have many communities who share devices with their PT groups to make PT a lot easier for them. So it seems only fair to share the cost. In these cases, the community typically buys 3 and the PT group buys 2. Again, to establish that critical connection between activities and rehab for a lease payment that practically anybody can afford. Please drop an email to book a Zoom so we can learn about your community and how to best serve you. Thank you for watching.